right, this is one of my favorite drills to really learn about the stability of your core and how to generate strength in a push-pull, how to generate force from your core. And the cool thing is we bake it into the Turkish get-up. So the Turkish get-up is a phenomenal thing to learn. You get that baseline understanding, and you have a practical, usable Turkish get-up that you own. You now have a station. You have a place, or sorry, you have a whole workout program that you can put into the Turkish get-up. So we're gonna go over one at a time. This is in stage 2, and it's just a push-pull from the seated position. So starting on the ground as always, we're gonna use safety here first. Hand underneath, hand at the top, pull it in close to the body. 2 hands to bring it up. You already know your position. You've already gone over the initial Turkish get-up understanding, so this shouldn't be anything new to you here so far. Big breath in to move. I get to my elbow. Didn't like that foot popped up. If you saw it, then you know what I'm talking about. Big breath in. Here, okay? Once I'm here, I'm gonna sit back a little bit so you can see my whole body. I'm gonna extend this leg. You should know this posture already. You should know where your foot should be, in line with your shoulders, toes pointing that way, fingers pointing that way. Got my strong triangle base here, strong open hips, tall spine. And I'm ready to load this core. The shoulders relaxed, my arms relaxed. It's my core doing all the work. Big breath in. Pressurize your base, which is from the shoulder down, everything loaded in the floor. Pull the weight into the body. The shoulder shouldn't be lifting. You shouldn't be lowering the weight on your shoulders. You should be pulling from your core. Like I just finished a 1-arm pull-up, nice and tall. Big breath in, pressurize, drop into my base, push off the core. When you do this right, you're gonna feel all the tension through here. This will be relaxed. The neck will not get tight. You will not be loaded up in your arm and shoulder. You will feel that arm just glide smoothly. If the weight's too heavy, you need to lower it down. You can always go bottoms up and challenge that stability. Okay, I can do bottoms up with this weight. Here, drive through, whoop, lost it, pull through. Start again. After claiming I can do bottoms up with this weight. Ready? That's what it should look like. So the idea is that bottoms up just adds that extra element of stability, but really learning to grasp this pressurization of the core, really feel grounded, know what all your limbs are doing, what all 4 corners of your core are doing to stabilize, and just realize how light and loose your shoulder can feel as it's doing a throwing, a push, a pull, anything you can think of with your arm, really drawing your power from the core, really stabilizing before you move. So going through it slow here, slower the better, slowly, then it just really fine-tunes the timing of your shoulder, and it's a rehabilitative exercise that makes sure that you are really well connected and syncs the breathing with the core. And you just add 3 of those on the way up. You can do your whole get up. There's other stations to build in as well later, but even this is a drill by itself, just doing it up on one side, 3 breaths, go back down. Go on the other side, go up, 3 breaths, push, pull, go back down. Be methodical, be connected, be very aware, and tune into what you're doing. And it's amazing. You're just gonna feel that awareness of where your core is. So phenomenal drill, love it. Try it out. Hope you love it as well.